Today, I'm going to teach you how to update Squarespace SEO titles and meta descriptions. This is essential for improving your site's visibility in search engines and getting more clicks from Google results. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple sites. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to update the SEO titles and meta descriptions. This opens up the main editing interface for that specific site. Now look over to the left side menu and click on Website. This is where all your site structure and page management tools live. Under the website section, you'll see an option labeled Pages. Click on that to view all the pages on your site. From here, select the specific page you want to optimize. Once you've selected it, you'll notice a small gear icon beside the page name. Click on that gear icon to access the page settings. In the Page Settings menu, find and click on SEO. This opens up the dedicated SEO fields for that page. You'll now see two main input fields, SEO title and SEO description. These are what we're here to update. Before we jump into filling these out, let's talk about what each one actually does. The SEO title is the clickable headline that shows up in Google search results. It's one of the first things people see when they search for something related to your content. This title tells search engines what your page is about, which helps your page rank for relevant searches. More importantly, a well-written SEO title encourages people to click your link instead of your competitors. Now, the SEO description is the short summary that appears under the title in search results. While it doesn't directly affect your ranking in Google, it has a huge impact on how many people actually click through to your site. A clear, interesting description makes people more likely to visit your site because it gives them a preview of what they'll find. With that understanding in place, let's go ahead and input some content. In the SEO title field, type in a clear, compelling title that accurately represents your page and includes relevant keywords. Keep it concise but descriptive. Then move down to the SEO description field and write a short summary that expands on the title. Make it engaging and informative, giving potential visitors a reason to click through. Once you've entered both the SEO title and description, click Save. This ensures that all your changes are applied and will now appear in search engine results. Give it a moment to save, especially if you have a slower connection. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Squarespace SEO titles and meta descriptions, which will help improve your site's search visibility. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.